Welcome to our channel. Today, we discuss something intense, the chemistry of lust, and why desire feels electric. That instant spark when you see someone, feel drawn, or can't stop thinking about them. Your brain is lighting up like a circuit. Imagine this: someone catches your eye. Your heart races, your palms sweat, your stomach tightens. That thrilling, magnetic pull isn't just imagination, it's your brain reacting to desire. Dopamine, the feel-good chemical, floods your system, creating excitement and craving. Your brain is rewarding you for noticing someone attractive, but it doesn't stop there. Lust also activates the hypothalamus, which regulates hormones. Your body releases testosterone or estrogen, depending on your sex, amplifying sexual desire and readiness. Your body is preparing to pursue, to connect, to respond. Here's what makes it feel electric: your nervous system heightens all your senses. Touch, sight, smell, all become sharper. Your brain interprets every glance, smile, or movement as meaningful, fueling the thrill and tension. It's why lust feels urgent and consuming. Even cooler, the ventral tegmental area, part of your brain's reward system, keeps you focused. Thoughts about the person loop in your mind. Every small interaction triggers dopamine, reinforcing attention and desire. Your brain is literally training itself to seek connection and pleasure. But here's the important part: lust is fast, intense, and biologically driven. It's different from love, which engages long-term attachment. Lust is about immediacy, arousal, and chemistry. It's your brain craving closeness and sexual connection. So next time desire hits you like electricity, remember, it's your brain, hormones, and nervous system working together. That thrill, tension, and focus are biology at work, wiring your mind and body for attraction. If this video helped you understand why lust feels electric, hit like, subscribe, and comment below. Have you ever felt desire so strong it overwhelmed you? Share your story, we'd love to hear it. Remember, desire isn't just feeling, it's chemistry, wiring, and your brain lighting up for connection.